Hi friends, welcome back. Today we're going to learn all about pigs. Oink! I hope you like it. Oink oink, pigs love to eat. Oh look, there's a pig eating some pumpkin. Delicious. Grunt, grunt. That slop smells good. Look, there's the pigs having their dinner. Little piglets drink milk. Thanks, Mom. How many little piglets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, maybe that's 11. Is there one hiding there? So many little piglets. Pigs have floppy ears. Peekaboo. Dig, dig. His snout is strong. Look, the pig's using his snout to dig in the mud. It's hot. The mud is cool. Let's roll. Oh my gosh, they're so dirty. The pigs are rolling in the mud. Snort, snort. Is it supper time yet? That little piggy looks hungry. He's off to have his dinner. Wow, wasn't that great? We learned all about the piggies. And now that little piggy's gone to get his dinner. I think I'll do the same. And if you can take a moment to like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. It helps our channel to grow so we can keep sharing stories with you. Join us again next time for another great book. Bye bye.